Hi friends, this video shows how to allow install app from unknown source and fix app not installed error. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select privacy protection. Set special permissions. From this list, go down, select install unknown apps. Here we can see list of apps. From this list, for example, let me select Google Chrome browser. Then enable this option, allow from this source. Tap here, select checkbox, tap on OK. So this way we can allow this Google Chrome browser to download and install Android APK file from unknown source or internet. Tap on OK. Done. Go back. Next I am going to set this permission to one file manager app. Let me select one file manager app from this list. Let me select this default file manager app. Then enable this option. Tap here, select checkbox, tap on OK. So this way we can allow this file manager app to install Android APK file which we copied into the phone, or Android APK file which we copied into pen drive or hard disk. Tap on OK. Done. So this way we can allow install app from unknown source and fix app not installed error. Please check it.